Practice parking in a parking space on the left, front in. Signal to the left, then center the car in the parking lot, just leaving enough space so a car could get by you on the left. Select the lane you'd like to get into, then slow down to a crawl, and when the front of the vehicle is in the middle of the same lane you'd like to get into, start turning the steering wheel all the way to the left and let the car do the job. When the car is completely into the lane, you stop. Then turn the steering wheel to the right until it looks like the face of a clock. Then continue to turn to the right so it looks like the face of a clock again. Then inch up completely into the parking space. Apply the parking brake. Place the gear selector to park. You're done.